Let's talk cinematic software demos. We're going to learn a thing or two from the great J.J. Abrams. In this wonderful scene from Star Wars, we have the main character. Now, our main character in our software demos is usually the cursor. There's a reason why J.J. Abrams is pushing in the camera here, why he's going to show that lightsaber here, and it's going to look freaking dramatic. This is all supposed to grab attention and intensity in the demo, okay? We got a little bit of build up to the main scene that's going to be going on here, and in a moment you're going to see some serious action going on here. Now, we don't get all of this in most software demos because we're really flat to the screen. We just stay there, and we don't ever change the camera angle. Oh, why would we do that? And we certainly don't do too many close-ups, and we're not going to make the cursor very big. But let me show you one thing that everybody can do in a software demo here, and it's going to happen right here. And it's the point of contact. This is freaking amazing. What an incredible shot. This. You can make sparks fly. There is a moment of contact when that cursor hits that feature, that button in your screen recording, and it changes something bad into something freaking amazing. In almost any software demo, there's like a before and an after shot. So for example, if I was making a demo of Microsoft Excel, I might say there's too much data, there's too few answers, and then some feature comes along to rescue the day, right? And this feature happens to be recommended charts, right? And so this is where the lightsaber is hitting the metal here and is making contacts. So what do I do to accentuate it? Well, one thing I'm doing is I'm zooming in, right? I'm moving with the cursor, I'm zooming in, and then I'm even darkening out the screen, but I'm also making the freaking sparks fly here. And you can do that with Camtasia because you can have these click effects that are now part of the Camtasia 2023 library. It's under emphasis effects, and you drag one of these down. You can even customize them so that you can adjust the color associated with it or the opacity. I think on this one here, because I was making this one part of the transition, so I got a small one here which is just doing like little bits like this, but then I went over here and I wanted to have this as it goes from just too much data to beautiful charts. I go and I add another one, and this one just sort of keeps enveloping and filling up the screen to say, you know, it's resonating, it's echoing across time. This is how cool this software feature is, right? All of these things can be done with Camtasia. You can make it cinematic, you can make it beautiful, you can do it with Camtasia.